smoothie, mixed fruit, pineapple, strawberries, peaches, and mangoes. We got some water, about 6 ounces of water. Then I put 1 scoop of strawberry protein. That's 25 grams of protein. We got blueberries down here, which didn't come in the bag, so that's separate. Then we have some creamy almond butter right after the workout. Welcome back to that Vegas SRT4. Today is the day that I've been waiting on. Behind this garage. Come on. The lady is over. She's back where she belongs, in the garage, safe. Shout out to Jonathan, you do amazing work, man. Shout out to DCR for emailing me back and forth, trying to get this fuel pump correct. So I appreciate you guys. But like I said, today is the day that I take this beast to the tuning spot. We're gonna see exactly what it does on the tuning spot. I don't really have time to show you exactly what's been done to the car, but just know that a lot of stuff has been done to the car since you guys have seen the last video. What's up? Made it to MiTuning. It's crazy because I actually was on the way here and Mario was on the freeway too, so we were kind of neck and neck. So see how things lining up. So I'm here, I'm putting on something that will give me about 50 horsepower. Little hole in the intake, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on it, and I'm not gonna let you watch me struggle getting this open. It's like they have a diamond in here or something. Like what the, why? Tell me why. Finally got it. I'm not gonna let you know how long that took me. But look, with this. So let's see, put this on. Watch me install this. Done. Easiest 50 horsepower I've ever done. Okay, here she is. Look at the work. Look at the work my man Jonathan did. I mean, powder coated this or painted this, however way he did it, because this was black, it was all cracking, showing white and stuff. I mean, look at the nice work he's done. And I know you guys are gonna give me mess about the MSD. I wanted to try it. I called Modern Performance and they said back in the day, these used to be really bad, but they trust them now, so just go ahead. And so I decided to trust it. So relax, I know. I read the forums too. So what's new on the car since before it went to Jonathan is 4-inch intake, decided to do that. We got the Borg Warner 57, S57 turbo, that's good for about 650, that's why I got it. We had a crack in the radiator, so we went ahead and replaced that. We did, since I did this, Modern Performance, shout out to you guys, I went ahead and got the kit with the thermostat and the hoses. I chose red. Why? Because I don't know, my car's red, right? We did the fuel pressure regulator here. The gauge I already did. We got the 1200 cc injectors. We did the Gates timing belt here. We did here MPX cam gears. We did the motor mounts, fuel lines. We did the AC delete kit. You probably can't see it, but as you can see, I don't have any AC anymore, so we did the AC delete kit. We got the 15 inch VMS here with the Mickey Thompson. Shout out to Dre for hooking me up there. They got some good tread on them though. Then I went on ahead and got the VMS for the rears, 15 inch. Those tires are going to be bigger. It's just that everything's on back order, so I just had to get what I got. I'm going to sell these and get all these around. My thoughts were to have 2 sets of rims, so I have these and I got the skinnies that match these at home. So I was thinking about using this for all-out drag, and then I got these for road racing, you know, so that's what my thought was. Anyway, so in here, obviously you can't see it, but you can hear it, man, when I turn on the car. We got the dual 1200 horsepower DCR fuel pump. We did that, and then we come around. Some of you guys want to know, these are 15 by 8 on the VMS website. I believe they're 15 by 8s. I don't think I got 15 by 9s because everything's on back order. The tire size is 235 50 15 Mickey Thompsons, and that's how they sit. So if you want to get a pair, that's how it's going to sit, a little wide, but that's what we need, right? More tire, more traction, and we're going to need it. What's up, guys? So just to let you know, I'm sure most of you guys know this, but before you get on a dyno, it's always good to put new spark plugs in. And also over here, I put some of that spark plug lube right there. So, and then Mario told me to gap it at right there. So that's what I did. So I went ahead and and gapped them. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then after this, put it on the dyno. Finally here at the spot. Car's on the dyno right now. We had not an issue, but we found out that there's no overflow tank on the car. Jonathan, I get you, man. Anyway, I understand, it's cool. But so we forgot to put the overflow on the coolant, so we got a hose to put that in, and now we're tightening up the intake hose, and then we're going to see what's up right there. Dre, if you don't know, I'm telling you, if you got an SRT4 in your car, this is where you come. It was putting some fuel hoses on because we had a leak or whatever. That for you guys that want to bring the drag radios on, he said that if you want to do that, that's fine, but you got to add 40 or 45 horsepower because it takes longer for these to spin, or it's harder for it to spin on a dyno. Not too bad. The AEM gauge that I had, the True Boost, wasn't really hooked up right. So we had an error code, so it won't go past 22 pounds. So I'm making about 440, something like that. So I got to fix the AEM intake, get a little other things, and then we're gonna put this stuff right on the dyno. So hopefully it's real fast. What's up? Back home. She made it. It was a successful day, I think, as far as being that the dyno is very stressful in your car. The only thing that actually went wrong was the AEM True Boost gauge was not hooked up right. I was throwing an error code, so it couldn't go past 22 pounds. So we ended up at around 440 to the wheels. Not bad, not bad. And for the shootout, it's supposed to be an 11-second shootout, I think that's good. So now, next thing to do is get the wheel bearings done on the passenger side. I gotta take the car back to Jonathan. Shout out to him again. So we got to do that and hook up the boost, the boost gauge correctly. And again, shout out to Mario, man. Seriously, shout out to Mario. Shout out to Dre. You guys do excellent work. If you guys ever in Vegas, I'm telling you, get it tuned. Get it tuned there, man. Does excellent work. Takes no time at all because he knows exactly what he's doing. So shout out to him again. There it is.